Hello friends, I am Champion Mahipal. Today we are going to learn about inline function in C++. So what is the use of inline function? Use of inline function is where we have only one or two statements in our function. If we make our function inline, then the preprocessor during the compiling process changes or puts the statements everywhere in the program where we have called the function and the replaces it with the statements which are written in the functions. So it increases the processing speed, it increases the speed of our program execution. So now the question rises, is it mandatory for the preprocessor to follow our command? No, it is not mandatory. If it is possible for the preprocessor to treat our function as inline, only then he will treat it as an inline, otherwise he will not treat it as inline function. Now the next question arises is how we can make our function inline. So here is an example to show how we can make our function inline. In this I have made one class student, two variables, then I have made two functions. One is get data and another is put data. Whenever we write the definition within the class, it is by default inline function. But if I want to, so get data is inline function by default. But I want to define my function outside the class and make it inline also. So we can use inline keyword to make it inline. During the definition, I have written void inline, then the function name, and here I have defined my function. This is how you can make your function inline, and it will give same output as it is giving without inline, but it increases the execution speed. It can be seen where we have a large program. So this is about inline function. Thank you very much.